read my poem, I just want to speak to the one whose heart has been betrayed. Infidelity just doesn't break trust, it breaks the spirit. It makes you question your worth. It makes you question your sanity. It makes you wonder how someone who promised to protect your heart could be the one who shattered it. But hear me clearly. Love is not your destroyer. Love is your protector. And when people fail you, God does not. The Bible says in Psalms 34 verse 18, the Lord is nigh unto them that are of a broken heart, and saveth those as be of contrite spirit. God is close to the brokenhearted, not far, not distant, close. He sees every tear. He knows every sleepless night. He felt every knife that was driven into your spirit. What was meant to destroy you will not define you. Betrayal is not your identity. You are still worthy. You are still chosen. You are deeply loved. The person who broke your heart was not your protector, but God still is. Now listen to my poem as I read it. Infidelity, scum. If I had one last wish, what would it be? This sacred vow is slowly killing me. I cried and prayed as hard as I could, begging and bargaining in ways I never should. The words you hurled pierced through my being, every slanderous whisper torn at my soul unseen. Your selfish intentions masked as love and trust. I was never a partner, just part of your lust. The game you played was never fair. While I stood faithful, you were never there. The hidden secret of your infidelity uncovered. The truth hit hard, no longer smothered. You were meant to be the protector of my heart. Instead,